Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Photos for stock footage, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Photos website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're logged in, locate the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Export section. Here, look for the option that says Backup and Sync. Ensure that your settings for Backup and Sync are appropriately configured. Next, navigate to the Sharing section within the settings. Click on Get Link to generate a shareable link for your photos. Copy the link provided by the Google Photos interface. Now, open a new tab and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in again if prompted. On Google Drive, create a new folder specifically for your stock footage. Access your Google Photos from this folder by clicking on the New button and selecting File Upload. Choose the photos you want to upload from your Google Photos using the link you just copied. After the upload is complete, return to your Google Photos account. Confirm that the photos are now accessible in your Google Drive folder. To ensure proper authentication, go back to the settings in Google Photos. Here, check the Manage Devices section to verify any linked devices. Make sure your device is recognized and authenticated by Google. If any authorization issues arise, follow the prompts to resolve them. Finally, your Google Photos account is now successfully authenticated and ready for you to use stock footage. Feel free to navigate through your library and access your photos as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.